Hey everyone, Christian from BD Diesel here, and today we're talking about the accelerator pedal position sensor or APS noise isolator for the 1994 to 2004 5.9 Cummins engines. Let's get at it. The APS noise isolator from BD removes electrical noise from the APS on 1994 to 2004 5.9 Dodge Cummins engines. It's particularly prevalent on the second-gen trucks due to their PCM configurations. The PCM would see electrical noise on the APS signal wire and cause the torque converter lockup to be erratic and cycle on and off. One of the common problems with this model truck is the torque converter clutch cycling issue. The APS noise isolator resolves this issue by eliminating electrical noise on the APS signal wire. The APS noise isolator does not fix other serious electrical or transmission problems, but can help this common torque converter clutch cycling issue. The installation is quite simple. The noise isolator has a built-in posi tap and ring terminal. You just tap onto the APS wire on the vehicle and bolt the ring terminal under the existing PCM screw. The APS noise isolator from BD Diesel offers a quick and easy fix to the most common problem on the 1994 to 2004 5.9 Dodge Cummins. To learn more or purchase this product, visit bddiesel.com.